This is Dansoy. Welcome back to my kitchen, aka Batman in the kitchen. Let's take this journey together. We have a leftover meal. It's basically a garlic teriyaki sauce. God bless, peace out, and we cook with fun and humor. See you in the kitchen. Bye bye. All right, Facebook and YouTube. We're here with a behind the scenes. We got the camera, and you can see it's on the pot, and we have like all the ingredients. So just kind of behind the scene. And I just did a smoothie recipe, so I have to clean up. Have the end of the blender, and I have to wash the thing out. And I got my smoothie. But that's a behind the scenes look. I'm going to get a 4K camera soon. But in my kitchen also, I have like olive oil, Marcella, red and white wine. I have avocado oil. And then this is my famous pot from my mother. I can't let that thing go. I want a new one, but I don't want to let that go. Then I have my cutting glove, a lime and lemon juicer, a small little cutting board, anchovy paste, tomato paste. But I got this cutting glove because I cut my finger really bad. And it's really bad. But we have the garlic press. We have scissors. Actually, these are cool to cut like fresh herbs and everything. And I have all the bamboo cutting boards, and of course the chopping block. But that's basically it. See you in the kitchen. God bless. Hi YouTube and Facebook. I'm going to bring you a leftover idea. This is basically stuff I have left over, and it's a garlic teriyaki chicken. So we're going to use avocado oil. It's high heat and doesn't really give a taste. We're going to use S&F garlic teriyaki. We're going to use good no antibiotic chicken nuggets. We got garlic, we got scallions, we got some spinach, we got parsley, and we got cilantro. So I'm not going to really bore you with chopping everything up and dicing it. There's really no rule or law to this. This is just a leftover meal. You're just going to throw it together in your pot, and we're going to get started. Batman in the kitchen, Dansoy. Alright, so we're going to get started. First, we're going to put in avocado oil. Like I said, it's high heat, and it really doesn't add flavor to that. So we're going to put that avocado oil in there. And I already diced up the scallions. So we have the white and green. So we're just going to throw them in there. And we're going to go to the next step. Alright, so we're done with the garlic. Hello Facebook and YouTube. I threw the garlic in there, and we have the garlic in the scallion. I had a recording problem, sorry. Alright, so we're gonna throw in the chopped chicken, which is really good, natural, and no antibiotics. Alright, while you were gone, I got the cilantro done, and we're going to throw that in there. So we have that nice fresh cilantro, and the next step is to dice up some of this nice parsley. All local and grown local. Alright, so we have the parsley done, and we're just going to throw that in there. And we're just going to move to the final steps. We're not going to put any spinach in right away, because you know with spinach, that cooks down fast. We might as well cook the other stuff. Alright, so we got that stuff in there, and now we're just going to throw in the S&F garlic teriyaki. Just put in what you want, and then we're going to cover. Alright, so we got that all in there. We're going to put the cover on and kick the stove up to medium. And we're going to cook that down, and then once it's down, we're going to throw in the spinach, and we're all done. Like, I'm just going slow now, but usually this is only 10 minutes. Alright, so we got the garlic teriyaki in there from S&F. That's really good. The chicken in there. We're just going to cook this down a little bit and put the cover on. And at the end, we'll throw some spinach in, and I think I have some vine-ripe tomatoes. We'll throw it in there for taste and color. Alright, so we have it on low, and we're just stirring it. And you can see like all that avocado oil is getting into the chicken and the rest of the stuff. So after that, we'll add in the tomato and the spinach. But these S&F products are really good. They can make quick meals. Alright, so we got it in there. You can see the ingredients. Like I said, it's not the prettiest thing, but this is a whole meal. Alright, so the thing you want to do is take your spinach and throw some of that spinach in there. Keep it on medium to low and let that cook down. Then we'll add the tomato on top, and we'll be done. Alright, so we got the spinach in there. With the other stuff, we're just going to cover this and kick up the stove to definitely right past medium and cook that spinach down. Then after that, we'll throw our vine-ripe tomato in there. Be back. Alright, so you can see all that spinach cooked down, and this is basically a one-pot recipe, something quick. So now we're going to just throw the tomatoes in, and we're done. Alright, so I got a vine-ripe tomato, and we're going to throw that in. So that's the final thing. So just stir it all together, and you couldn't ask for anything healthy. I mean more healthy, because it's tomatoes, chicken, spinach, and garlic. So that's basically done. You can see the product. It's really good. Look at that avocado oil in there. You got the tomatoes, the chicken nuggets, the spinach, and the garlic. You couldn't ask for anything better. Alright, welcome back YouTube and Facebook for the final product. Excuse me, there you have the chicken with spinach and tomato. We made it in one pan, and it's a leftover meal. Thank you for visiting me. Dansoy, Batman in the Kitchen. God bless. Can you please subscribe and hit the bell? And I'll see you soon. I'll see you at the end of the week. God bless. Peace out. Dansoy, Batman in the Kitchen. Mwah.